Hello students, today we are going to learn EVS and our topic is clothes and be safe. In this topic, we will learn why do we need to wear clothes and how is it helpful for us. And in Be Safe, you will learn to be safe at home and on road. Now, first let us study clothes. We wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insects. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insects. We should always wear clean clothes. We should always wear clean clothes. We wear different clothes at different times of the year. Now we will see when do we use different clothes. Number 1 is winter season. WINTER. Winter. SEASON. Season. Winter season. We wear woolen clothes in winter season. They keep us warm. So you can clearly see in this picture, all the children are playing in the snow and they are wearing woolen clothes because it helps them to keep their body warm. Now we will see what are the woolen clothes. WOOLLEN. Woolen. CLOTHES. Clothes. Woolen clothes. Here you can see the picture of sweater. 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 Number 2 is muffler. 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 Number 3 is woolen cap. WOOLLEN. Woolen CAP. Cap. Woolen cap. Number 4th is shawl. 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 Number 5th is gloves. 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 And number 6 is woolen socks. WOOLLEN. Woolen SOCKS. Socks. Woolen socks. There are many more woolen clothes. These clothes help us to keep our body warm in winter season. Now we will learn summer season. SUMMER. Summer. SEASON. Season. Summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Now we will see what are the cotton clothes. COTTON. Cotton. CLOTHES. T-H-E-S, clothes, cotton clothes. Number 1 is frock, F-R-O-C-K, frock. Number 2 is T-shirt, T-S-H-I-R-T, shirt, T-shirt. Number 3 is shorts, S-H-O-R-T-S, shorts. Number 4 is kurta pajama, K-U-R-T-A, kurta, P-Y-J-A-M-A, pajama, kurta pajama. Number 5th is salwar kurta, S-A-L sal, W-A-R-war, salwar, K-U-R-T-A, kurta, salwar kurta. And number 6th is swimsuit, S-W-I-M, swim, S-U-I-T, suit, swimsuit. There are many more cotton clothes which we wear in summer season. Now let us see rainy season, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, S-E-A-S-O-N, season, rainy season. We wear raincoats and gumboots over our clothes when it rains. We wear raincoats and gumboots over our clothes when it rains. Children, you can clearly see in this picture the girl is playing in the rain, but she is wearing raincoat and gumboots over her clothes in this rain. Here you can see the picture of raincoat and gumboots, R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T, coat, raincoat, G-U-M, gum, B-O-O-T-S, boots, gum boots. Now here is the picture of special types of clothes which are called uniforms, U-N-I, uni, F-O-R-M-S, forms, uniforms. You can see the picture of a postman, doctor. He is the student of St. Xavier's School. Nurse, policeman and fireman. All these people are wearing special types of clothes which are called uniforms. Let us read this. Some people wear special clothes to go to their place of work. Their clothes are called uniform. So children, you are going to read page number 28 from your EVS book and learn the spellings. Now let us study be safe. In this topic, you will learn how to be safe at home and on road. First, we will see what is the meaning of be safe. There are many ways by which we can get hurt. We must learn to be careful at all the time if we want to be safe. What does safety means? Safety means to keep ourselves free from danger, risk or injury. We should follow the safety rules to prevent accidents. We must also follow the traffic rules and traffic lights to avoid accidents on road. Now let us see, children, how to be safe on road. Safety on the road. Can see here the picture. Let us read number 1. We should never play on road. Cross the road on zebra crossing. And number 3 is walk on the footpath only. So children, remember, we should never play on road. Cross the road on zebra crossing and walk on the footpath only. When we go out, we should always keep this point in our mind in order to be safe on road. Here you can see the traffic light which we see on road. We should always learn to follow these lights. Here is the red light, yellow light and green light. So, we should always obey traffic rules and follow the traffic lights. The red light tell us to stop, yellow light tell us to wait and green light tell us to go. Remember these lights. Red, stop, yellow, wait, green, go. Now we will read how can we be safe at home. Do not play with sharp things. We should never play with sharp things like blade, B-L-A-D-E, blade, knife, K-N-I-F-E, knife, scissors, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors, or pointed pencil, P-O-I-N-T-E-D, pointed, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil, pointed pencil. Children, if you will play with sharp things, you may hurt yourself. If you want to do any work with scissors or knife, you may take help from your parents, but never play with blade or pointed pencil. It may harm you. Never play near burning gas stoves, oven and toasters in the kitchen. If you will play with burning stoves, you may burn yourself. And in this picture, you can clearly see a child is getting shock. So never touch electric switches and plug with wet hands. Never touch electric switches and plug with wet hands. If you want to do anything with electric switches, always take parents along with you. So children, from your EVS book, you are going to read page number 32 and learn the spellings. Thank you.